Sometimes, when we get lost in the world of our dreams, an amazing story unfolds before us. Today, we will listen to such a story that will not only thrill us, but also teach us something new. This is the story of the secret cave of the Treasure Island. But first, let's understand the meaning of a few difficult words so we can fully enjoy the story. The first word is treasure. Treasure refers to something very valuable, such as gold, silver, or precious gems. The next word is cave. A cave is a deep space inside mountains or rocks. The last word is island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Now, let's dive into the story. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was always fond of adventures. One day, he heard from his grandfather about a treasure island hidden somewhere far away in the sea. His grandfather told him that there was a secret cave on that island where a priceless treasure was hidden. Arjun's eyes lit up with excitement. He decided to embark on a journey to find that treasure. Arjun prepared his small boat and set off towards the sea. The waves were high and the wind was strong, but Arjun didn't give up. With courage in his heart, he continued his journey. After many days of traveling, he finally reached the island he had seen in his dreams. On reaching the island, Arjun saw dense forests all around. He felt his heartbeat quicken. He knew the treasure cave was hidden somewhere within this forest. He entered the forest and began to move forward cautiously. Suddenly, he found an old map showing the location of the cave. Arjun could hardly contain his joy. Carefully studying the map, he moved towards the cave. As he walked through the forest, he encountered various creatures and colorful flowers, but Arjun's focus was solely on the cave. At last, he reached the entrance of the cave. The cave's mouth was large and dark. Arjun lit a lamp and stepped inside. The scene inside was breathtaking. The walls sparkled with gems, gold coins, and priceless artifacts. Arjun's eyes gleamed with wonder. But suddenly, he heard a frightening voice. "Who dares enter my cave?" Arjun saw a giant dragon sitting inside the cave. Gathering his courage, Arjun said, "I have only come in search of the treasure. I mean no harm to you." The dragon replied, "If you wish to take the treasure, you must face a challenge." The dragon asked him 3 questions. The first question was, "What is the true treasure?" Arjun thought for a moment and replied, "The true treasure is what brings us happiness and contentment." The dragon nodded and said, "Correct answer." Then the second question was, "Will you tell your friends about this treasure?" Arjun replied, "Yes, I will share it with my friends." Smiling, the dragon said, "Absolutely correct." Now came the third and final question. "Will you use this treasure wisely?" Arjun confidently said, "Yes, I will use it for the welfare of my village." The dragon looked at him and said, "You have answered all the questions correctly. The treasure is yours." Arjun happily took the treasure and exited the cave. He returned to his village and shared his story of courage and the treasure with everyone. His village became prosperous, and by sharing the treasure, Arjun found the real treasure, friendship and love. So friends, this story teaches us that treasure is not just in gold and silver, but in true relationships and happiness. If you liked this story, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another exciting story. Thank you.